Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Dropified Video Training tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up CallFlex. CallFlex is a really powerful tool that lets you set up a call flow system that allows your customer to get the help they need if they ever have to call you. Now with CallFlex you get a free number that you can use. You can change it every month, but you're stuck to the number for a month, and I'm going to show you in this video how to set it up. So once you log into Dropified, go down to CallFlex under the business section of the tab on the left, CallFlex, and as you can see I haven't set up a number yet. So I'm going to select a new number and I'm going to name it CallFlex for Shopify store. So if you want to just forward calls to a number, you can type in the number here, and then that way, whenever a customer calls you, it'll go right to that number. So setting up the number here, you can get it from Canada or the United States. You can make it a toll-free or a local number. I'm going to stick with toll-free. The area code, if you switch to local, you can change the area code for available numbers, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm not going to worry about that. And as you can see, it'll generate a bunch of different numbers that are available to use. So I'm going to go with the first one here just because I'm not too worried about it. So 833-207-3189 is going to be my number. So once I choose my number, I'm going to press submit. And it will say this is going to set this as your incoming phone number, and I'm going to be stuck with it for 30 days. That's fine with me, so I'm going to press use this number. And as you can see, this is my number now. I haven't set up the call flow. That's going to be in a different video. And I haven't set up the company yet because I haven't really dug into CallFlex yet, but that'll be something for a different time. So that's pretty much how you set up a CallFlex number. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.